Hello. Hey, Christmas light people that love to hang Christmas lights. So today I wanted to show you what we did and how we put a star on a 30-foot tree. Actually, it might be about 32 feet. It was everything I could do to get it up there. So I'm going to show you it all lit up, and I'll show you a couple pictures of what it looks like close, and then I'll show you in another video maybe how to make this star. An extra star we have on the ground, but the tree I wanted to show you in is this one here. You can see that all the way right there. And I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but actually at night it lights up really nicely and looks pretty cool. I'll put some pictures right here of how what we did is we lay a ladder up against the tree there, and we hold the ladder with two people down here, and we have somebody climb up there and they zip tie it to the actual tree itself. But this, like I said, this is about a 30. It was everything I could do to reach the very top with a 24-foot pole. I'll put a link right here where you can see how to build your pole. So we did all the lighting from the ground. And this house is a rather large house, so we lit up all the hedge around there and all this hedge. We lit up this beautiful oak tree. You can't see the lights on it very good because the color's good, but we only made about 35 feet, was about right here, 32 feet, because that's all I can reach. So, and then we did the hedge all the way around there. We lit this tree up, this little blue spruce. We put a ton of lights on it, just like we did the big tree. And you can see all the lights on there. To put a star on top of a tree. This is the third time we did it to this house. We've done it every year. I built that star 3 years ago. It still works great. Like I said, I'll show you another video of how to build it later on. It might be a little while, but I will show you how to build a star. And we got three of those stars actually, because 3 different people wanted those stars. But if you have any questions about Christmas lights, please put it down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're a Christmas lights lover. Thank you and have a great day.